Hello, my name is Fiona Brennan and I'm an anaesthetic consultant working in Cardiff and Vale Health Board. My interests, apart from in the field of anaesthesia, lie within those of planetary health and sustainable healthcare. I've been asked to talk about which female women have inspired me and why, but I can't pick one and I'm going to go with three. So the first is my mother, because she really taught me the importance of fairness, and she epitomises fairness, which is a value I hold dearly. Number two is Florence Nightingale. She was a bit of a rebel for her time in the early mid 1800s. She went against society's expectations of her to become a wife and a mother. She really went against her parents' wishes, as they didn't want her studying nursing. But she went ahead and followed her passion, and she devoted her life to the service of others. She's very well known for her work within the hospital or on the wards, the Florence Nightingale wards as they're now called, looking after soldiers during the Crimean War. But actually she had a very analytical mind. She understood the concept of doing no harm. She understood inequality, and she did a lot of work on social reforms. The third woman I have to mention is Aung San Suu Kyi, who has just such great strength of character and took the most incredible personal sacrifices to put her country and her country's people first. Advice would I give to fellow women following in my footsteps within medicine or within anaesthesia, and I would say follow your passion and find your consonance. We're in the early process of developing a climate-smart network of clinicians, cross-speciality, cross-discipline, and linking with industry across Wales. So anyone interested, please do get in touch at fiona.brennan@wales.nhs.uk. Many thanks.